Good afternoon everyone at Quicksilver, it's me, I'm back again. I didn't go very far away, and here, as you've already noticed, it's probably sitting behind me, is the new BMW M4 Competition, aka Beavertooth Grill M4. Very cool car. I had the luxury of driving it from the customer. I say customer, we're very grateful to have this car. It's been lent to us by none other than Carbon Works. Their link is below. They are the people to go to if you need carbon fiber bits for any of your BMWs or I think Audis. All the information is in the details below, and hopefully we'll be speaking to the owner of Carbon Works very, very soon. We are developing two systems, rumour has it, two systems, not just one for this M4 Competition and one for the M Performance, which is a very different layout, the way the exhaust comes out the rear of the car. But right now we're going to go behind the car and see what it sounds like with the OEM sound, which I have a feeling isn't going to sound as good as what we can do. All rather uninspiring, that, Ben. Yeah. What are we going to do to it?
It's not very flattering, is it? No.
Yeah.
We'll do a valved catback system. That'll work on the exhaust button here.
Oh, yeah.
So we'll get the OE function, which is nice.
Yeah.
We'll probably develop the GPF deletes as well.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Extremists out there.
Yeah, because this has got cats, secondary cats, OPFs.
Got it all. So that's why it's so muffled.
Yeah.
But we'll definitely do the GPF delete solution as well. I think just for the extremists and you know, the guys like track driving.
Everybody likes a bit of extremism.
Yeah. But you'll still get the control in the valves, so
yeah. All right, cool. So let's go look underneath it, and see what it's all about. It's got any other good features? Has this got the
dripping carbon?
It is dripping carbon.
It's got all the Carbon Works carbon kit on it.
Yes.
It's also got all the carbon back seats.
Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. That is
electric as well.
Dripping's an understatement. This is just basically carbon fibre. Yeah. Oh, and as I think you mentioned, it has the optional indicators, which BMW drivers tend not to use. Oh yeah, and it also has the front sensors to tell you that you are too far away from the car in front and you should speed up a bit and harass them.
Well said.
So here we are. Hello, Ben. What's going on here then? This is the underneath of the M4, obviously.
Yeah, absolutely, the new M4. We're going to do a full system for this car. Obviously this car is a GPF car, it's a UK car. There's a lot of stuff going on basically.
Okay.
We've got primary cats up in the downpipes.
Right.
We'll leave those alone.
Yeah.
We've got secondary cats, we've got GPFs.
Which, for the less knowledgeable out there, GPS stands for gasoline particulate filter.
Exactly, it does. Congratulations. We will develop sort of a few different systems. We'll develop a system that knocks out the secondary cats and the GPFs.
Yes.
As well as probably removing this silencer and having a really nice sporty sound.
Yeah.
We'll keep the OE valve control.
Yeah.
And we'll have carbon tips. And then we'll probably do another system which will sort of sleeve on here, and you'll keep all the emissions equipment intact. So
sure.
You keep your secondary cats, you keep your GPFs.
Yeah.
And that'll be a slightly more user-friendly option.
Okay. And they have this massive transverse box, these M4s.
Yeah.
Or, well, the comps do. There's a little bit missing there, but we'll get to that in a minute. They don't come like that. We've already started. Well, Ben has started a little bit of concept development work, not myself. Yeah. I don't get my hands dirty with such things.
I do hard work.
Yeah.
This is obviously just a normal M4 comp, which just has the standard exhaust on it.
Yeah.
You get the two tailpipes each side. We're going to develop two systems. We're going to do one for just the standard system with the standard rear diffuser.
Yeah.
And then we'll also develop a system for the M Performance kit, which I'll show you the two differences. That's your standard. Okay. That's your standard diffuser.
Right. Yeah. And this was at this one though. This is done by Carbon Works. So this is based on the original, but this is their
based on an original OEM piece, but this is a carbon version from Carbon Works.
Which is very nice.
Which is very nice. So we'll do a system which fits the normal apertures.
Yeah.
And then we'll do a system which fits the M Performance.
Right.
Aperture.
Yes. So this is that weird central exit system that the M Performance cars have.
Only the M Performance cars have
Right.
it, and now Carbon Works have developed, you know, an aftermarket carbon fibre diffuser. So now we're able to develop a system to that. So you have, you know, 4 tips, but they're in this slightly triangular position.
Okay. That's very nice.
Yeah.
So if you had an M4, not M4 comp, could you convert the rear end with M Performance valance and exhaust?
Well, that's what we're going to do.
Right. So yeah.
So
okay.
we're going to have a solution for the exhaust,
Yeah.
and then Carbon Works also going to offer this kit.
Yeah.
And you can basically turn a normal M4 comp into an M4 comp with an M Performance
Like it.
rear end.
That looks very nice.
It does.
That's high grade carbon fibre there.
It's 100%.
Yeah, very, very, very nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, so there you have it. That's the OEM system. Now with the cleverness of magic and the inspiration of TikTok, if I put my hand into the lens, you'll see our new sports system just magically appear. System isn't actually complete at the moment, so I can't show you it, but I can show you this. Well, I can't because Ben won't even let me take the cover off. That's how unimportant I am in this company.
No touching.
Yeah. This is the prototype for one of the variations we're doing. I think for the comp, I would guess. But yeah, everything's moving along quite swiftly, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for tuning in. See you later.
And I'm feeling good.